my name is Leebobawitz, and welcome back to The Void Reigns Upon Her Heart. We last left off, I had to, 30% do not get hurt 3 times. I think I can do that, the voltage, we'll see. But yeah, I am seriously loving this game. I'm loving the new backgrounds. At least I don't remember these oh my gosh. If I'm close, I can fire feathers. That's cool. That's really scary though. Oh gosh, see that's why it's scary. That's why I think I'm just gonna stay back here. Thank you very much. But it's almost like a mini shield, so that's kind of, whoa, cool. Okay. There we go, okay, I unlocked it. I didn't get both of them though. I got hit 3 times technically. I guess. Okay. Whoa, it was a little close. There we go. Wow, that feather really makes a huge difference. I lost one, but I unlocked the other, so that's cool. Oh, dang it. Movement speed up. Cool. Oh, dang it. I got cocky. Well, I've never used that one before, so. Okay. Score at least. Oh, yeah, I can do that. Okay, let's do this. Let's hope I can get it. I needed that. Oh, I did get an HP up. Okay. Woo! Okay. Whoa! Okay. That was almost a disaster. There we go. Bam! That feather does make a big difference. I am going to unlock that. That's pretty cool. That's a nice power-up. Elation, electric heart shots. Oh my gosh, that's cool. Nice. Okay. Yeah. I got this. Oh, dang it. Okay. Whoa, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Oh, dang it, no! I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. No, 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 no. Oh. Dang it. There we go. Oh, gosh. That bites. I got hit. Oh, I was only 20 away. Dang it. Well, that sucks. Well, at least I got that. Oh, Lord. Let's try it. I don't know if it's gonna work. We're gonna go for it. Oh, gosh. Oh, I went right into it! No! Oh, who cares? There we go. Boom! Bleeding out the eye! Radiant heart shots. I don't know what that means. We'll see what that means. Whoa! Oh, you sneaky son of a gun! You! I didn't know you had that attack! You are the biggest jerk! Jeez-ums! didn't know that was an attack! A Zardin afraid of heights? That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard, they say. Of course, I should note that they can fly without any help. Whoa, okay, dang it, dang it, dang it, no! This is level 1! Oh, my life! I have lost half of my health to the first monster! Nice. Ooh, it's a blue one! I need that! Your butt is mine, burning very virile. I need to score a really big combo here. So let's keep going. Oh, come on! I need this! I need this one! Your butt belongs to me! Oh, come on! Oh! These quick little bugs run so fast and try so hard to stay out of sight. I actually thought they were just a little blur until I finally saw one standing still. It vanished the instant it saw me. Okay, boom! Whoa! Okay, I was a little too close for comfort. Oh gosh! Piece of garbage! There, goodness. What is it with these first monsters and just like kicking my... I tried to hurt you, I'm sorry. There we go. Boom. Okay, no damage, no damage, no damage. Nice. Candy heart. Yes. Max 2 health. Okay, maybe we can actually get through this one. Okay. Okay, we got this. Just constant stream of heart, power, bullets, and love and BS, and I'm gonna kick your butt to next Tuesday! That was almost 100% of his health in one go. I think that's pretty good. Yes! Did not get hit. Boom! Yes! Nice. Chapter 2, in my dreams. What are you gonna give me? Ooh, yep, new background. A regular background, whatever you are. Don't get cocky, don't get cocky, don't get cocky. Oh. Oh my gosh, I did it! Ah! Don't get cocky, 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 don't get cocky. You got this. Don't panic, don't panic, don't panic, don't panic, don't panic. Okay. Don't panic, 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 don't panic. Don't panic, don't panic, you got this! You're going to beat the monster with love! Okay, cool. Well, at least you didn't move during all that. I appreciate it. That would have been a real horrible move on your part. Really mean. Ooh. This is interesting. There we go. Constant stream of power. Don't get cocky, don't get cocky, don't get cocky, don't get cocky, don't get cocky. There we go. Almost there. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, I got hit once. That wasn't too bad. Okay, jeezums. Do I get a health? Max. Fully healed! Ah! Okay, okay. I'm gonna pause this here. I need to take a break because I am just like, oh my gosh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna do it this round. Totally gonna do this round. Anyway, if you are liking this series, go ahead and show that like button some love. I truly appreciate it. And if you haven't played this game, I'm gonna say it again. Play it for yourself. It is awesome. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day. And if it's night wherever you are, I hope you have a wonderful night. See you soon. Bye.